That boy better listen. Black Cooper and tit on 5 cent. Just tryna get bread my chicken. And my haters keep on lying. Can't give that shit no attention. And discussion, shut up and listen. And you might just learn some new shit. Got a bad hoe tryna do twin swing. And this hoe tryna try spit. And this hoe tryna bang my game. Got a jiggle nigga with a mad clip. And that bitch gon' up in rain. Pulling up, but we ain't the same. Got metal on nose like pain. Tell that bitch don't bang that lane. Got fur on my car like a Maine Coon. And that puss gon' water my flower to that shit up in bloom. And that nigga don't take no shrooms. Take it up and don't move. I'm high as fuck, but slack. Bitch, my twin, yeah. And you can have your nut right back. That bitch ain't here for shit. Oh no, ain't hitting that rock, yeah. And this hoe suck up, bitch. That bitch on still my soul. Swag, my swag. Can I have it back? Any bitch they be posing, playing for the net. Nah, that ass ain't like that. Tryna get up on me, get chicken on me. Glock gon' bust you, and your homie. Quit my belt, then you're my G, yeah. I style fiend, yeah. Can't get like me. This hoe she on her knees gon' plead. That bitch a nut, she praying up to dick. Pop out with sticks, and that bitch gon' up and rip. And boy like Blake, yeah, we up that Glock gon' rip. I get on fuck because that nigga hit. That boy better listen. Black Cooper and tit on 5 cent. Just tryna get bread my chicken. And my haters keep on lying. Can't give that shit no attention. And discussion, shut up and listen. And you might just learn some new shit. Got a bad hoe tryna do twin swing. And this hoe tryna spit. And this hoe tryna bang my game. Got a jiggle nigga with a mad clip. And that bitch gon' up in rain. Pulling up, but we ain't the same. Got metal on nose like pain. Tell that bitch don't bang that lane. Got fur on my car like a Maine Coon. And that puss gon' water my flower to that shit up in bloom. And that nigga don't take no shrooms. Take it up and don't move. I'm high as fuck, but slack. Bitch, my twin, yeah. And you can have your nut right back. That bitch ain't here for shit.